video, we are going to see about the Gemini CLI for coding development, automation, workflow, local execution, local automations, anything. Same like cloud. So you see here the screen is a open source AI agent. We can use this for free. We can use this Gemini CLI in the developer terminals, so it can directly connect with the Gemini 2.5 Pro. So you can see here it has um, it's a free of charge, and we can simply log in with the personal Gmail account for free, and we can use the business account for better accessibility, and we can use this for 1,000 requests per day at no charge. So this is the 1 million token context. It's best for developers to develop any models, any applications, AI agentic applications. So its benefit is ground prompt with the Google search, extend Gemini CLI's capabilities. We can connect to you. We can use this to connect MCP model context protocol, customize prompt and instructions. We can automate tasks and integrate with existing applications. So I already checked these applications, how it will work. Even they give the source code here to see. So I already check. I install Node.js. Same like that, I install this. After install Node.js, you can. So when I open the Node.js, it will go here. You can check the your OS and install. After that, you need to open the command prompt. Then you can install here. Then after that, you can the model will be then you can open this. For example, I already installed. Let me try to install again. What it will appear. I installed already. Then when you do installation to show, you must to check the pick the color. After pick the color theme color, then it will ask to log in your personal account for verification. After that, you can chat with the Gemini for to create applications, anything. See, now it's installed. We can now it's already installed. So I just to see, it's big the information. I am large language model. I act as a interactive CLI agent to help you with software engineering tasks. To L for software engineering task. So slash help. When I do this, it will show all the comments available for list available tools. Here it shows help, full document, this one clear, themes, authentication, editors, bugs, everything is available here. We check one tool, TOOLS tools. See, it's have a lot of tools. Read folder, read file, search text, find files, edit, everything available. What it will come? Google search about about Ilango Garage. What it will come? Yeah, I give this one. So it's searching information, appear go search, the best will come from the yeah, is share is says is appears you are Ilango Garage. It's identify me as a Ilango Garage. The search is indicate a prominent individual with the name in the technology and AI field. See, it's great. Even it shows I am the Ilango Garage. It shows gives some details about uh, him. See, I did not say I am Nirango Shumaj anything, but based on the it check with the connect with the Google, it give all the informations. See, because online prompt is a technology professional, artificial focus on artificial and cloud computing. So around AI, particularly Google Vertex AI, creating a tutorial, deploy applications, including great. He's giving all the informations. And Q keys, LinkedIn profile. Let's check is it being sapling or not. Yeah, it's being some profiles. It's good. So like this, you can use these applications. Um, create an agentic AI applications to get the application using Google AI Studio API key use um, LangGraph framework and Python for develop application. The requirement is HR will enter some at HR searching the profile to fill vacancy, so they will enter some input um, based on the requirement. So as a agentic application, you need to uh, create the job description, uh, certification, knowledge, education needed for the role. You need to give details about the job dissertation or education and other require key knowledge job position. Please create an agentic application sim, uh, attractive and simple. Let's see what it's doing. Because I already created an applications with the same name. So I need to delete that uh, folder. So I will delete this folder, job description folder. So it's deleted now. Let me run that again, what it will do. So, so I allow now. Let me check it's created again or not. Yeah, it's created the uh, I haven't started it. Allow execution. So it's finished. I will click generate. Yes, I will allow. Allow. Yeah, great. See, enter software generate subject generate. You see the job descriptions, get questions, everything is so. See, if you run this application, it will I will receive this all result. So you see, within a few minutes, we created on our agentic applications. Very nice. So attractive one. We will see in another video. Thank you. Yeah, now I asked to open the applications. It's created using Streamlight. Yes, yes. So you, now anyway you got the idea, right? You can get the application like that. So let me run that applications and check in my system. Thank you.